Isa lang natin sa ating rice. So just all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna topping on my rice because we are Asian, we love rice. Lagyan natin siya ng konting sarsa at pwede na tayo kumain. So join us! Join us sa ating pagkain. Look at that. Ooh, lami ba? Oh my God, Java Cracks, finally, it's really good. So wala siyang patatas. Basta sibuyas lang siya. Inisa ko sa sibuyas, inisa ko sa bawang. And mekos ko siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng toyo at saka pampaasim at saka ng suka. So may maroon na tayo masarap na adobo. It's really delicious. Wow. So yummy. We're gonna finally we finished our exercise. It's so big but so fancy. Like every time we go down, I do this is really amazing and it could be so like to achieve my goal every day. Siyempre today very special day. We always inspired, never expired. Today is Tuesday. We're craving a Filipino food. Yes. What food do you crave? Of course. Yes, ang ating paboritong trending adobo. Yes, paborito ito ng mga fam. But today is Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Siyempre, babati muna ako na magandang evening po sa inyong lahat. And of course, lahat po ng mga pagpakamali po adobo, kekongan. And of course, lahat po ng ating mga breadwinning award. Congratulations, right in the bang in Europe, especially bang right in Spain. And buenos dias, buenas noches. Today, right in here in KR, it's almost like 5. So we have chance to make a vlog. It's almost like 5. Just all we do is we're gonna go home, but while we walk on the street, I give you a little bit more Filipino food, trending food. Yes, adobo. At kung ano, andyan ang sisi, andyan ang sinigang, andyan ang kung ano ba, like the other food or Korean food too. So just all we do is we're gonna go walking on the street. So, annyeonghaseyo! So, we're gonna go home. Yes, habang naglalakad tayo, siyempre kukumustahin muna kita. Bilang isang anak ng nanay mo at ng tatay mo, siyempre laking tuwa nila ng isilang ka sa mundo. Ito, Filipino food, one of the most famous and of course delicious delicacy in whole world. Yes, mula Asia, Europa, and of course in America. So, that's all we do. We gotta go sa ating
Yo, yo, yo! Ready na ba kayo? Click, like, share! Tara na bro! Sa umaga hanggang gabi Good vibes lang ang hatid lagi Travel man o daily life Solid content, walang sablay Kwento, tips, and inspiration Real talk na may good intention Pag si Sir Joffer ang bida Siguradong panahon
because of you, we have the YouTube creator on and of course welcome po sa ating kusina. I'm hungry. Wala lang itong bigong but just overview. We get to cook. Yes, ito na po tayo. Dito po kayo lahat. Sure, always inspired. Never. Yes, meron pa ako like because like this one is a train and I tried egg yesterday so syempre magluluto na tayo dahil gutom na ang iyong my God. Syempre right here on my YouTube channel ikaw lagi ang bida. Yes, adobo. And of course, pork adobo. Kumusta po kayong lahat bilang isang OFW bilang isang anak ng nanay mo, bilang isang anak ng tatay mo, syempre laking tsuwa sila ng isilang sa mundong ito pag sinabing adobo. We have the, what do you call it? Onion. Yes, hindi mawala ang ating onion. So we gotta cut, drop it like hot, and of course, hindi mawala ang ating, yes mga Java Cracks. Lalagay ko na yan. Pagsabay-sabayin ko na. And of course, meron tayong bawang. Actually, I have the bawang. Gamot sa magkukulam. Durog na siya. Dinurog ko na siya. Yes, ilalagay ko lang siya dito. Yes, wala tayong pagtumpik-tumpik pa. Dagdagan natin ng konti. Yes. Yes, gamot yan sa high blood. And of course, mekos natin yan. And of course, para madali na lang ang ating adobo. Adobo, one of the most and of course, good delicacy. Yes, adobo. isa sa mga paborito mo, paborito ng bayan, paborito ng afang mo. Saan ka pa? And of course, just all you do is subscribe me and of course, para update ka sa ating mga walang ansang video. Yes. Tumekos lang natin ang ating sibuyas. Alright. And of course, to make a little bit lo-fi, because this one is I boiled already the pork last night. That's all we do. We gonna put in here. Siyempre, papakita ko naman sa iyo. Yes, kahit nag-iisa lang tayo. Yes, Taran, I'm gonna show you that. Alright, guys, nag-iisa lang tayo. This one is the meat I already boiled. And of course, it was tender. Last night, I make it seem really boiled talaga. Yes. Isasalin ko lang sa dyan. Huwag naman yung sabaw niya. Lalagyan lang din natin konting sauce. Alright. Yan. Siyempre, sa ating pagluluto, samahan natin ang pagmamahal na parang sa pag-ibig mo sa abang mo. Yes, hindi yan put it all. Yes. This one, kasi hindi naman mo masasayang ito eh. And of course, we're gonna mix it. Sinekos natin yan. And of course, pagdagan ko pa ng konting laurel. Alright, all we do is, we're gonna put a little bit like a soy sauce. Sauce. Ang ating laurel na ginagamit niya sa ating morning presentation. Yes, we're gonna put like, yung mga sirap-sirap na. I think only like 3 pieces. Kasi mahal yan. Yes, ba yan? And of course, we're gonna make a mekos. Alright, here we go. Lagyan natin yung konting sakurasa. And of course, meron tayong pamintang wasak, pamintang dubog, and of course, pamintang. Lagyan natin yan dyan. Mekos natin yan. Alright, this all we do is, we're gonna cover at saka hanggang maging, lagyan natin ng konting sabaw. Yes. And then, i-cover natin yan. Yes, simple hack for cooking. Because we are in overseas, we're wandering sometime to eat, and we're craving a Filipino food, but we don't have money. We cannot afford to eat in the fancy luxury restaurant. Just all do, we gotta go find a way para magluto. Alright, abang po natin yan, and then later on, sabayan mo ko sa ating mukbangers. OMG mga Java God, I think it's almost, yes, but I'd like to put more, a little bit like sugar. Wow, look at that, it was amazing. Amoy pa lang na. Siyempre nagugutom na ako. Nagugutom ka na ba? Uy, nagugutom ka? Ipagluluto kita. Uy, halika sa aking munting bahay. Basta, follow mo lang ako sa aking Facebook page, and of course, you can subscribe me right in here on my YouTube channel. Alright, I think I'm gonna boil this one. It might be like, maybe like a 5 minutes more, because I want like really tender, like tender care, like loving care, like you and me. Alright, just all of you, okay? Lagyan lang natin yan. We're gonna, hinahanap ko yung aking mahiwagang. Tikman ko lang siya. Tikman natin yan kung ano pa ang kulang. Alright. Woo! It's almost like a perfect. Lagyan natin ng konting lemon drop. Drop like it hot, like you. Okay. When I have a suka, I have a suka. But if you have a suka, we put a suka. I have a suka too. No, I don't have it. But it's okay. Okay. We're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna boil it like into like more minutes para more tender siya. It's almost like a perfect. So just all of you, we're gonna wait a little bit. OMG, I think it's really good. And ayun kumain, this all we do is look at that. Itatapping pa lang natin sa ating rice. So just all we do is I'm gonna topping on my rice because we are Asian, we love rice. Lagyan natin siya ng konting sarsa at pwede na tayo kumain. So join us! Join us sa ating pagkain. Look at that. Ooh, lami ba? Oh my God, Java Cats, finally it's really good. So wala siyang patatas. Basta sibuyas lang siya. Ginisa ko sa sibuyas, ginisa ko sa bawang. Ay, Mercos ko siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng toyo at saka pampaasim at saka ng konting asukal. So may maroon na tayo masarap na adobo. It's really delicious. Wow. So yummy. We're gonna try the meat. One bite for you. Oh my god. I cannot talk because it was super yummy and because I'm hungry like you. Hungry about a lot. I'm almost there. Well, I'm trying adobo. It's really good. Trust me. Ganito sa kalambot, naku, hindi kayo iwan. Alright mga Jobber ka, syempre, ako yung mama. Nasa bansang Korea, syempre, Mr. Owen Angel, never try to share my story. Adobo, kontangan, chef. Kapit ba? Parang pa sa nila.
Wag ka nang magdalawang isip. Pindutin na ang subscribe. Click your bell ring. Good vibes falling in. Sa YouTube at Facebook. Trending everyday. Your bell ring. Solid content friend. Like and share. Sama ka na sa saya na walang pretend. This is Joe Florence Emiliano, your Korean angel.